now let's look at this question under special angle. How we are going to deal with this. It says, given that x is equal to sine 45 and y is equal to cos 45, find the value of 1 plus x squared over 1 minus y squared without using tables, if I may add, or calculator. Okay, now, without using tables. Okay, now, looking at this, sine x is sine 45. It means that sine 45 is also equal to x. So we can find whatever sine 45 is and put it here. And then the same thing applies to whatever cos 45 is and then put it also here. And then get the answer. Okay, now let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, so the question says x is equal to sine 45. And sine 45 is 1 over root 2. And then cos, that is y equals cos 45, which is also 1 over root 2. So this one on the calculator, it is root 2 over 2, and then root 2 over 2. That is after rationalization. Okay. So now we can put this in place of this and then solve for the expression on the board. So 1 plus, now x squared, so x is this, so that's into brackets 1 over root 2 squared divided by 1 minus into brackets the same thing 1 over root 2 squared. Okay, so that is 1 plus, now this place becomes 1 over 2 because root 2 squared is 2, so 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 here, and then this applies to the same one, so this is also 1 over 2. Okay, now this is, let me change this to decimal, so that is going to be 1.5 over half, so 1.5, that is 1 plus half, that is 1.5 over, this is 1 minus half, which is half, 0.5, and this becomes 3, that is, how many 0.5, how many halves are in 1.5? So 3 halves are in 1.5. So this is the answer to this question. Okay, now let's look at one more example. This is under special angles, that is trig ratios of 30, 45, and 60 degrees. So let's look at another example. Okay, now let's look at this second example. So we are told that if x equals cos 60 and y equals sine 60, evaluate x squared plus y squared over y squared minus x squared without using tables or calculator. Okay, so this is also under special angles or trig ratios of 30, 45, and 60. So let's look at how we are going to go about and solve this example. Okay, so x equals cos 60 degrees, and cos 60 is 1 over 2. Okay, then y, which is equal to sine 60. So we know from the special angle that sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Okay, now let's substitute it. So let me write the expression first. So x squared plus y squared divided by y squared minus x squared. So x squared is now half, 1 over 2, or x is half, so this is going to be 1 over 2 squared, then plus root 3 over 2 also squared, that is y, divided by root 3 over 2 squared minus 1 over 2 squared. Okay, so now let's simplify this. So 1 over 2 squared will give us quarter, 1 over 4, and then plus, this is root 3 squared is 3 over 2 squared, which is 4, so that is 3 over 4, divided by, then root 3 squared is 3, this is 4, so the same thing, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, so this is a quarter plus 3 quarters, so that is going to give us 1 over 3 quarters minus quarter. So this is going to give us like 3, so 1 over 2. This is half. Okay, so how many halves are in 1? Or 1 over half is going to be 2. So now this is going to give us 2. That is, there are 2 halves in 1. Okay, so the answer is 2. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. The name has always been Udu Maths. Bye.